Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the side button for a couple of seconds. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the FFit application on our phone. To do it, let's open the Google Play Store on our phone, tap on search, type in FFit, and then tap search button. You should see this application, FFit, with this icon. Now let's tap on the install button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, we can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, we need to check the box right here and then tap on agree. And now we need to log in into an account. You can also create a new account by tapping on registration. And if you want, you can also use the visitor login. Basically, use the app without creating an account. But if you want to retain your data after you remove the app, basically keep it and don't lose it, you need to create an account so it can be saved on your account. But if you don't care about that, you can tap on visitor login. I'm just gonna use the visitor login option. Oh, we need to agree to the terms of use. Tap on visitor login. Here we can set up our profile, so we can set up a nickname. Select the gender, birth, units, birthday. And whatever, let's select the whatever, then tap OK. Height, we can just change the height, and then body weight, like that. And once you're done, tap on carry out. Here we can select the skin color for some reason, and then tap on carry out. We can select the step goals, or rather adjust these step goals, then tap on determine, a sleep target, and determine. And once you're done with the profile, you will see the data page, and also you will be asked to allow some permissions for the app, and you can allow them or deny them. The camera or the video record permission is not needed, so we can deny them or allow it, deny it or allow it. The location permission is recommended to allow, but you can also deny it if you want to. And here we have the contacts permission. You can allow it or deny it. A call, allow it or deny it. If you want to use the phone notifications, basically to receive the phone notifications on your watch, you need to allow these permissions. But if you don't want to use this feature, you can simply deny them. I'm just gonna allow all of them for the sake of the video. And here we're being asked to allow the notification access for the app. Again, it's required to send the notifications to the watch. So you can tap on determine. It's gonna redirect us to the notification access. Here we can select the FFit, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and now the notification access is allowed. We can go back to the app. And the app wants us to enable the location permission. We already did, but it wants us to allow the permission for all the time. So if you want, tap on the allow permission location, we can select all the time, but I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna go back to the app. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the data page, and now we can tap on add device right here. The app will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should find the V31 dash, I believe, 020C. Select this device by tapping on it, of course. And after a couple of seconds, the devices should be connected. And once the devices are paired, we can tap on the device icon right here to open the device page for our watch. And here we have different settings for it, as you can see. We can also confirm the pairing by waking up the screen on our watch and opening the quick panel by swiping down on the screen. And you should see this icon right here. If you have this little line inside of the chain link, it's a chain link icon, that means that the devices are paired. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.